Balers from our Plus series benefit from strong and durable construction. They only take up a small amount of space, and the low noise level ensures an optimum working environment. The baler has a compact design and can be placed almost everywhere. Load your cardboard boxes directly at the waste source. Even very large boxes fit into the chamber without folding. A fast cycle time results in efficient and quick waste handling. A low noise level gives a good working environment. A green light indicates when the chamber is full. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. Now, all cardboard has been compressed and straps can be tied around the finished bale. You eject the bale by a safe two-handed operation, and then you can remove the finished bale. You can also compress soft plastic. The baler is simple to use. Takes up little space. Easy to insert waste. Full indicator. Good working environment. Automatic ejection. Safe two-handed operation.